So this is my Mavic Pro got today after waiting for 2 months. Waiting and waiting, it come. So now I unbox it for 1 hour ago and I loading. Battery is upload. Take 1 hour, 20 minutes, something like that. 1 hour, 120, 125. Now I charge controller up to 2 hours. Mavic Pro. And here it is. It come with 2 props on. So I set on 2 and so easy. Down and 1 twist and then it's on. Like Phantom. So this is cool. Here it is. Mavic Pro. So when it's when this is finished charging, I must connect mobile phone to drone, and then it's flying. Tomorrow it's flying. %, maybe 1 hour or something, then it's finished. That'd be cool.